Alright, guys. Sing me Three Little Birds.
Three little birds sat on the window.
And they told me I don't have to worry. Okay, apparently we need a little work, so gonna have to work on that.
People crazy in here?
No.
We're doing a fashion show. And we're gonna do
Okay, stand right here. Stand right here. Okay, stand still. Stand up. Up. Okay, now, three little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't have to worry. Girls and directors, yeah. Tell me my favorite song. Don't have to worry, lay your head down. Alright, now sing it.
three little birds sat on the window. You take my head down. Let's get sing your song. Get your head down.
Marley, you play the drums, you play the guitar.
Who's gonna play the piano?
I'll play the piano, okay?
But I feel myself on the western.
Are you recording that? Good. When you get older, we'll play it back for you.